Trades applications, converting decimal feet to feet, inches, and fractions of an inch. Instructions: subtract the whole number of feet, multiply the decimal feet by 12, because you want to convert to inches, subtract the whole number of inches, then multiply the decimal inches by the denominator of the fraction inch you are measuring, meaning 4 for quarter of an inch, 8 for an eighth of an inch, etc. Example, 9.372 feet. So we want to take off the whole number of feet, and we're working with 0.372 feet. We want to change this now to inches. So times, remember our unit factor, a foot is 12 inches. So we're canceling out our feet units. That works out to 4.464 inches. We're going to take off the whole number of inches. So now we have 0.464 inches. And we want it, so we've got our 9 feet, we have our 4 inches, and we also want fractions of an inch to the nearest 16th of an inch. So as per the instructions above, we're going to go times 16 and approximate that to the nearest whole number. That works out to 7.424, so that's approximately 7/16 of an inch. So my final answer then, and that again, that's 7/16. So let's write this all together. 9.372 feet is equal to 9 feet and 4 7/16 inches. Okay, converting feet, inches, and fractions to decimal feet. Instructions. Convert the fraction inches to decimal inches. Add the total number of inches. Convert the inches to feet by dividing by 12 and add back to the total number of feet. So example, 5 feet, 6 5/8 inches. So we're going to take that 5/8 inches and convert that to a decimal. 5 divided by 8 in the calculator gives 0.625 inches. Adding on to the whole number of inches gets you 6.625 inches. We're going to change that inches into feet. So times, remember 12 inches is your foot. Your inch units can cancel out. But what you're doing is you're taking this 6.625 and dividing by 12. Okay, so the calculator gives us 0.552083 repeating feet. We're going to add on to the whole number of feet that we had in the original question. So that gives us an answer of 5. Let's round to 2 decimal places, 5.55 feet as a final answer.